Lads, guys, what's up? Meta Viking MV Crypto here. What I really love about renting a place out here in California, an apartment in California, is you get 3 pools. And you don't have to maintain or take care of anyone. It's really nice. So yes, chilling poolside right now. Very nice, very lovely, straight chilling. Guys, BTC, Bitcoin, the price, the charts, we were getting straight into it. Let's go. Okay, my last long video, crypto markets meandering, which this is what I call meandering right here. It's just sideways action. I said I felt bearish, right? I thought we would see a break above this wedge pattern right here, and then we would go straight back down. And that's exactly what happened. Now, what happened to my trade? Yes, I had a trade. It was $10 in cost, 3 times leverage. Look, I'm gonna be serious, guys. $10 cost trade, 3 times leverage. That's it. It's a very small trade. Now, I was in the profit for a bit, and then it went below, and I actually stopped out of the trade. Now, where did I enter? I entered right about here at this doji candle right here. This one right there. Okay? If you can see that doji candle. So, the trade did not go my way as it started going green and green and green and green. So I stopped out for $1. Nothing crazy, just $1. And my lesson there is, I think, obviously with swings, you need to let your stop losses be a little loose. I actually didn't even have a stop loss on trade because it's such a low amount that I'm playing with. However, had I let that trade go, I would have printed pretty nicely, even after this slight green movement. Now you can see what happened is we actually broke down all the way. Now we have this big green doji right there, and then another one on top of that. It's more like a morning star kind of candle. So my original prediction was right. And when you zoom out and really look at this, what you get is actually, I said it was a bear flag. That's not correct at all. It's not a flag. It's a bear pendant, the way that wedge is after that downward move. Now, if we go over to what I have prepared here on Safari, usually what you see as a pendant and a downward trend is another down move. So are we going lower and lower? I'm not sure. We do have economic numbers coming out on Friday as far as inflation. And we also have the biggest move of all crypto right now, which is Luna. Will Luna rise from the dead? Will Luna rise? If Luna rises from the dead, this is a crazy situation. Will Luna arise as the new major player in crypto? Could Luna surpass Bitcoin? I'm not really sure, but I'm not ruling it out as a possibility, because if something is able to go from less than a penny, 3 zeros, to even $1, this is something that is more powerful than Bitcoin. If you look on Twitter, we're averaging 2,000 posts a minute on Luna alone, on the burns, on the fork, which it's not a fork, it's a Genesis chain. I've been saying that on my channel. Crazy times, guys, crazy times. Economic numbers coming out. Oh, also the fact that crypto and Bitcoin especially is very closely following the NASDAQ. Let's just look at, for ease of purpose here, QQQ. All right, look at that. A very similar, that's my 4-hour here. We had a similar pattern, right, with the QQQ situations, following the QQQ. Now, what I really believe is that at a certain point, Bitcoin and the very closely following and tracking the NASDAQ QQQ, that situation is going to eventually split once again, because it used to be a different thing. Now they've merged together because of this economic situation we're going through, and I believe they're going to split again. I believe as the stock market goes down further and further, which I believe it will, the whole entire situation with crypto is going to change, right? I've been saying this, that the big winners in crypto right now are going to be those communities, those very not succinct but distinct interest groups, those very distinct communities like the Terra ecosystem that are going to rise to the top because of the developers, because of the people that believe in it, because of the community, because of that value behind it, which is the utility and the community. Remember, the tuna, Terra Luna, the new tuna. Let's call it the tuna. The new tuna is a new chain. It's a Genesis chain. This is huge. It's a whole new utility. That is big. That is big. That's like saying we're getting a whole new Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. That's a fork. Those are two chain, or not. It's the same chain, but it's a new chain on top of a chain that are going parallel. A whole new Genesis chain is a whole bigger deal. It's a whole bigger deal in my opinion. Crazy times for crypto ahead, guys. I'm at the pool here, just enjoying time, but my mind is on the charts. My mind is on the crypto. My mind is on actually giving up all of my unnecessary material possessions, liquidating that and putting it all into crypto and some into stocks as well. But I'm honestly at this point, I'm really believing in going all in on crypto because this is the biggest thing that we've seen, and this is a really big decrease in price, and we could be decreasing in price further. So as the price keeps going down and down and down, I want to keep buying as the price goes down. It's huge opportunity for us, guys. Huge opportunity. Crypto billionaire status coming for sure. Crypto billionaire status, guys. This is MV, Meta Viking Crypto. Be well, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.